In today's video, we got a question for you. Who likes taking meeting minutes? If it's me, put your hand up. If it's not me, keep your hand down. Now, if you're the one having to take the meeting minutes through choice or because you want to, we've got a solution to save you time, not double up on your work. So please subscribe to our videos because we've got more content like this coming up in the next few weeks. Now, traditionally, if you go into a meeting, some of us will take notes from our laptop. Now, that's great. You know, it means that you've got them electronic and you're typing away. But there comes a few problems when you work from a laptop. One of which is battery life. If you've got a great battery, fine. If you haven't, you need to find a power source. The second is when somebody's typing away from a laptop, you can hear those keys being pressed, and those keystrokes might be a tad too loud for the people in the room. So you have to be mindful of this. If you're in one corner, might not be as bad. Now, the alternative to having a laptop is pen to paper. No need to worry about batteries, no charging, no nothing. Just grab a working pen and start writing away. Quick and easy. The problem, and this is really annoying, is that you get back to your office and you're asked, we need those meeting minutes by tomorrow morning or in the next 24 hours. But you've already got your day planned out. And you don't want to work in the evening. Who wants to work in the evening to type up notes? So the alternative to that, similar to the note would be to have them recorded. And then you can say, I've got a recording available, it's saved here. But then somebody will say, I don't want to listen to half an hour of meeting or an hour-long meeting or 2-hour meetings. I just want to see the notes quickly because there's a few points that I just needed to go over. So what's the final option? It might not be the final option before I continue, but for us, what's the final option? The final option is an app that goes on your mobile, your tablet, and works on your computer, Mac and Windows. So you've got options here. And that app, for some, would be sticky notes. That's not what we're talking about today. For some, it might be Evernote. We're not talking about Evernote. We're going to talk about OneNote. From Microsoft, it's free. Absolutely free. Don't pay a penny. Now with OneNote, you can scribble away using a stylus, and by doing so, you are not having to double up on your work. And if you're using a tablet or a mobile device, you know you're going to have X amount of battery time. You don't need to be online. You can do this with no internet connection. The notes are going to save once you've turned your internet, switched on Wi-Fi or with mobile data. And with OneNote, you can add bullet points. You can scribble away quickly like you can with pen and paper. And you can add pictures. So you get something that looks quite professional. Now, some people might not be able to read your handwriting. Now, it happens, and the best thing with OneNote is an option to click change text to computerized text. So what the option is within OneNote on a computer there's a tab called draw. So you got the tabs at the top, one of them says draw, and on the right hand side you will see convert, and there's a button that says ink to text. So that will change your text to text that on a computer so that somebody else can read it. Now, it might not be 100%, but if it's 80 or 90%, that can save you a lot of time. And you can just tidy up the last few bits. So if you haven't used OneNote, download it, give it a try. It works on Android, it works on iPhone, it'll work on your tablet. And when you get back to your computer, you've got the functionality of connecting to the same account and utilising the additional features from a computer. So it's not going to cost you anything. Give it a try. If you've got any questions about OneNote, drop us a comment below. Please subscribe and like our videos so that we can bring future videos to help you and your team. Thanks for watching and have a great day.